I just woke up. It is 8:12 right now. I am fucking late. I am late. Check out what just rolled into the yard today at Pick-N-Pull South. You see that? It's a carbon fiber hood with a carbon fiber hood scoop. TRD side skirts. It says it was placed. It says it was placed yesterday. I don't know if it's going to be there still, but let's go. It's going to be on this side.
You have reached your destination.
Oh, what is this? Look at this, dude.
Oh, what the hell is this gay ass shit?
Alright, let's go. Hurry up.
What is this gay ass shit, bruh? Bruh, are those head gaskets?
65, 64, what row is it? 59, row 59. Someone's on it, dude. Why is someone on it? We're taking it, dude. That shit looks clean.
Alright,
so the kit is fiberglass. Check this out. The kit is fiberglass. It's not a real TRD. You can see the fiberglass right there. I'm not gonna take it. It's worthless. Completely worthless. It's an automatic. Yeah, the front bumper's fiberglass. Watch, pull it out. It's fiberglass. Hold on, I just want to look at it. Here, hold it. That shit looks bad. Rear valence is fiberglass as well. I'm not taking that because no one's gonna buy that. eBay special headlights. These are ass. I think that's it. I don't think there's nothing else to grab. Everything's shit on it. Took the dead pedal and the brake pedal. And hood doesn't look all that bad. There's no major cracks on it. I don't see anything major on it. So it could be a really good flip. The edges are actually in decent shape. Fuck you looking at. Those are cheap as Walmart jumper cables that are gonna ignite when you first use them. Carbon fiber fits perfectly, and this is why you want a Matrix, people. Matrix seats fold down, and you got a carbon fiber hood and a 2ZZ engine.
Wait, that was a Civic from earlier.
Toby, you should have got one of these.
Hey dude, that's the same Civic from earlier.
Is it? Rice out.
I don't like that.
Painted drum brakes for performance. Stick shift. Wow. Looks nice. It's been a long time since I last came here. If you guys know me personally, you guys would know that I bought my 2001 Toyota Corolla S here maybe like 3-4 years ago. The one I ended up wrecking. I bought it from here. I'll go ahead and put some pictures of how it looks like and how it looked like after. And the crash, rip. Dude, this isn't. You sure this is import?
That's what it said, 26.
Are you sure you're at, dude, that's San Jose North probably.
Oh, it is.
Oh, really? It's San Jose North, huh?
Yeah.
You can just go if you want.
What car do you have?
Celica. I have a Celica. He has an RSX.
I think I tried on the UK hatch. It's fit perfectly.
Dude, those look clean. Wow, I'm surprised those are still here.
There's like no camera.
You did it. Porch.
That's crazy, dude. If I had my old Corolla, yeah, but I have 5 lug now. All right, thank you. Buy some 5 lug to 4 lug adapters.
Oh, God. That shit, your shit gonna break. How's that even work, dude?
Oh, my God. She looks clean, dude. Stock. The wheels look nice. I wonder if those are stock. Matrix. And then we got this over here. Looks clean.
Dude, it's crazy how old Lexus is.
Oh, is that projector retrofit?
Oh, shit. Wait, are those all LEDs?
Oh, yeah, that's
those
LEDs.
Are customs. Customs, dude.
That's hilarious. About this spot right here is where I found that Celica, my biggest score ever. Full complete TRD kit, full suede interior. That was the best day ever, and it was on half off day. Got myself a whole suede interior and I loved it. 26. Where's your RSX?
No.
Right there.
Gut it out. What the hell?
God damn, that's a...
You took the edge in? It's not out. Is it a edge?
Dude, that shit's fucked.
It was a base?
Ours, yeah, it's base model.
Why the hell did they take the engine?
K20.
Yeah, that is a store you see on Las Vegas.
Yeah, there's these random ass guys just walking on the strip, and then they hand you this, they hand you that whenever you're walking. When I was there, I was like, oh, I got Pokemon cards because I had like 10 of them. For all you people saying that these are super steering wheels, they're not. They are off a Corolla. Any listing you see on eBay that's red stitch, black leather steering wheel, 3-spoke, and it's in the USA, it's off a 8th gen Corolla. So stop buying those overpriced steering wheels. Go get them off a Corolla. Put them in your MR2 and your Supra. Look at that. It looks really clean. It looks really nice. I'd get it right now, but nah.
Smells like fresh tortillas.
Fresh tortillas? What do you know about fresh tortillas? You're Asian. You're not Mexican. Speaking of fresh tortillas, my mom did some bomb-ass tortillas de harina yesterday. Oh my God. And then we put cheese in them, quesadillas. Oh, love it when she does homemade tortillas.
Yeah, thanks for detailing my car yesterday.
Dude, it was Mexican Mother's Day yesterday.
Thanks for coming above me.
It was Mexican Mother's Day yesterday. What was I gonna tell my mom? Nah, screw you, Mom. I'm gonna go detail my friend's car. Yeah, let me tell her that right now. She's the one who gave me birth and has been helping me my whole life.
Nigga wakes up and comes out here to get to your hood.
Dude,
you can't even come over the buff.
Dude, we'll go today. I don't got shit to do today.
Better know if there's any excuses. Blocked on everything.
Come on, man.
No spin. You'll never see me.
Hey, don't be like my ex who blocked me on everything. Shit. Alright, that's gonna conclude this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Go follow my Facebook, Corolla Lola. Go follow it. I need more followers. Oh man.